Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So Galaxy A22 in the house, and today's video will be regarding the unboxing and my first impression about that particular device. This is going to be Samsung, a mid-range category device which is definitely coming with great specification inside considering its price tag. So the variant which I have right now, it's coming with a 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and that storage is going to be based on eMMC, which is definitely going to be a little bit on a slower side when we compare it with the UFS 3.1 storage. So guys, let's start the unboxing of the Galaxy A22. So after opening the box, we first see that there is going to be another lid box which is going to be coming with, I think, some startup guides in here. Yeah, definitely we have some startup guide here, and unfortunately we are not going to see any case inside that particular device, which is kind of a surprise because in my previous unboxing I have seen that the Galaxy A32 was coming with the case inside. So here's the device itself, wrapped in plastic, and it's coming with an Infinity U display. This is again an unfortunate because I was expecting that it might be coming with a punch hole camera cutout, but definitely it's not coming because it's a mid-range category device. We have a quad camera setup on the back side, in which the main sensor is going to be coming with an optical image stabilization. So definitely this is going to be a great device in terms of cameras. Also, we have a fingerprint scanner support, and that fingerprint scanner is going to be present on the side. So let's unwrap that particular device. So here we go. After unwrapping the device is looking great. The white color option I have chosen has definitely going to be a great option to have. So I will put that device aside and look at the other box content which is coming inside. So basically we have a charger inside the box which is coming with a 10 watt of charging speed. So this is a charger which I was thinking that might be coming with a 15 or at least 18 watt of a charging brick, but that is not definitely going to be happening. So guys, the next thing in the box is obviously going to be USB 2.0 and the Type C cable, which is definitely going to be a great option to have. And also in the box we have the headphones available, which are going to be of a lower quality. And finally in the box we have the SIM ejector pin available here. So these are the box content which are coming inside the Galaxy A22. So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy A22 device. So let's turn it on and see what this device is going to be capable of and what is the software which is running inside. And also we are going to see some design changes which are coming in that particular device. So guys, we have completed the setup and the device has been turned on. So guys, as far as the display is concerned, we have a 6.4 inch of Super AMOLED 90Hz refresh rate, which is definitely going to be a great option to have. Also, we have a water drop notch on the front of the device, and the bezels around the edges and the top are going to be slimmer, while we have small chin on the bottom of the device. Also, the front of the device is going to be not supported by IP68 rating as some of the other devices like the Galaxy A32, A52 and A72 were supported. So this device is not going to be protected by Gorilla Glass protection. So guys, as far as the fingerprint sensor is concerned, on the side in the power button we have the fingerprint sensor, and on top of that we have the volume up and down button, and basically the implementation of that side is going to be absolutely great. The front is also coming with a water drop notch, which is coming with a 13 megapixel of a selfie camera, which is going to be on a smaller side. Also on the top we have the noise cancellation mic, and on the left side we have the SIM tray here, and on the bottom we have 3.5mm headphone jack, a noise cancellation mic, a Type C port, and a single speaker grill as well. Also on the back side, well, we have the quad camera setup, which are definitely going to be looking great. We have a 48 megapixel of a main sensor, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel of depth sensor, and 2 megapixel of macro shooter. While only the 48 megapixel sensor on the back side will be coming with optical image stabilization, while rest of the sensor are not going to be supported by OIS. Also, we have the LED flashlight on the back side, and the back is made up of plastic rather than glass. The side grill is also going to be plasticky, and the front is going to be the glass. So guys, as far as the software is concerned, inside we have the Android 11, which I hope that is going to be coming inside that particular device. And yeah, it's coming with an Android 11 support inside, and definitely Samsung is going to provide you 3 years of updates, so Android 19 is going to be available in that particular device. Also we have the One UI 3.1 support also available, and that is not going to be the One UI that we have seen in some of the main devices. It's going to be One UI core variant. Basically the core variant is going to be a little bit on a downgraded side as compared to One UI full variant. As far as the spec sheet of the device is concerned, inside the device we have the MediaTek G80 processor, which is definitely not going to be a great processor considering the pricing of that particular device. Also inside the device we are going to see 4 gigs and 128 gigs, 6 gigs and 128 gigs, and 4 gigs and 64 gigs of storage. Other than that, the device is going to be coming with a 10 watt of charger inside the box, which definitely take a longer time in order to charge the 5000 milliamp of a battery capacity device. The camera sensor in the device are going to be supported by portrait mode, photo modes, and definitely some video and bunch of other cool information that we have already seen in some of the mid-range category devices. And the quality of the camera are going to be decent. So guys, few things has been left. One of them is going to be the fingerprint sensor that is coming inside, speed of opening, and definitely it's going to be a little bit on the faster side, and it can unlock the device quite fast. Whereas we also have a support for Face ID, and as I put my face in front of the device, it automatically unlocks the device quite easily. As you can see, it is really fast, but I do recommend that you only use the side mounted fingerprint sensor because it is going to be more secure. So guys, all in all, this device is going to be definitely a great device when you have a 48 megapixel OIS supported device. Also, it's coming with a larger battery and coming with a 48 megapixel of a sensor, camera, 90 Hz of Super AMOLED display. These are the plus point. Whereas the minus points are going to be definitely not supported by IP rating. We don't have a glass protection on the front. Also, we don't have any case inside the box. And finally, the charger inside the box is not going to be great. It's a 10 watt charger which can take longer time. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I'm going to make some cool other videos as well regarding the Galaxy A22, so do check out those videos as well. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.